Oh, hello, my dear friends. Welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform. This is the next session of preparation for prelims for standard 10th and 12th, ICSE and ISC. Please pay attention and do subscribe, like, share my channel, and you will excel in economics. We shall be discussing elasticity of demand. Well, students, it is unlikely that a 5-mark question or a 6-mark question for 10th and 12th respectively is likely to come from elasticity of demand. So this session is devoted for standard 10th, and if at all they ask you a 5-marker question from elasticity of demand, they can ask you discuss the various types of elasticity of demand depending upon the degree of elasticity. As you all know, you have learnt about 5 degrees of elasticity, which is perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, unit elastic, elastic, and inelastic. Now, if it comes for 5 mark, you will have to discuss the 5 categories. In each of the category, remember students what all things you must mention. First, definition perfectly as it is in the textbook. The diagram, the explanation of the diagram, the value of ED, and if at all any example is there along with it. Do remember to follow these steps with each and every degree of elasticity. Alright? Another question that is likely to come from elasticity of demand is the factors influencing elasticity of demand. Well, I do not need to actually give you elaborate explanation. The textbook is fair enough for revising this concept as it is discussed in the textbook. Which factors influence the elasticity of demand in what manner? Please do it very carefully. I will be guiding you as far as one of the elasticity of demand is concerned. I will take up the example of unit elastic demand. Unit elastic demand is the demand where percentage change in the quantity demanded equals percentage change in price. The value of ED is 1 as the proportionate change in quantity demanded equals proportionate change in price. Then you can draw the rectangular hyperbola indicating the unit elastic demand and explain that rectangular hyperbola is a kind of a curve which depicts that you can take any point on the curve and the rectangle formed by joining that point to x and y axis would be the same as taken any other point on the same curve. So there is a definition of rectangular hyperbola, which is a typical demand